Welcome you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture we go ahead and learn how to compare strings. Alright, so we can compare the equality of two strings if the two strings are equal or not. How can we be able to do that? So first of all, let's go ahead and create string. Let's say string first name equal to Vida is good. Alright, so this can be a string. Go ahead and place semicolon at the end. And string last name is equal to Paul is better. Alright, place semicolon at the end. Now let's go ahead and check if these two strings are equal. So if the number of characters inside this string is greater than the number of characters here, that means they're not equal. Let's go ahead and check it out, guys. So let's go ahead and say use an if statement. So if string dot compare, so we have a method called compare. Here you pass in the two string of first name, comma, last name, ended, and you go ahead and check if they're equal to 0. Alright, now let's go ahead and say console dot readline. Then we can go ahead and say that first name and concatenate that and last name equal. Throw a semicolon at the end of that and else. What is the not equal? You go here and say else and say console dot right line, and then you go ahead, you can just go ahead and copy whatever that is inside here. Alright, copy whatever that is inside here, and then we just go ahead and twist that a little bit. Press the right, then change it to not equal. Put semicolon at the end, and put your console dot read key and put semicolon at the end. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Peter is good and Paul is better and not equal. Can you see that? Now, if you count the characters here, you can see that Peter is less than Paul. Peter is good and Paul is better is less than, or if you say that Peter is good and go ahead and remove one character from better. Or yes, put just one character on the square again. I think they're equal right now. Oh, they're not equal. Okay, let's go ahead and count that. So Peter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And Paul is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. So Paul is 5 characters, Peter is 5 characters, and Paul is 4. Go ahead and add one. Follow. So I hope that has balance for here, and you can also change this to be bed. And now let's go ahead and run the score and check it out. These are not equal. So why add that not equal? Alright, so what we're doing is a string comparison and then not the length. Okay, so we can compare the length and we can also compare the string. Go ahead and copy this and then replace Polo is bad here. Okay, so Peter is good and Peter is good are equal. But Peter is good and any other thing wants to change, any character here maybe say AR. Peter is good. If this AR changes, they're not equal. Check it out. And now it's coming. See, they're not equal. Alright. So, but once you go back and change that to E, so we're checking the string and we're not checking the length. Alright. So when you check the length, they will be equal. But here you can see that Peter is good and Peter is good are equal because they're just the same. So we're comparing them and know if they're the same thing. So if the first name and last name are the same thing, then they're equal. Let's go ahead and remove Peter is good here and say Peter and Peter are equal. Check it out. So Peter and Peter are equal. Can you see that? Here's how it works. So here in string, we're comparing the two strings to know if both of them are the same. So if they're not the same, then they're not equal. But if they're the same, that means they're equal. Okay. So it's different from checking the length of a string. If the length of a string is equal to the other length of the other string, so I believe that is cool. So go ahead and put this down. You want to stay and play around with it. And if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section. And I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.